This is Elizabeth Street in Melbourne City, Australia. This is our hotel side road where we are given accommodation this side. It's a pedestrian cross. So many Asian people are here. Trams are coming and going, very busy. Continuously they are coming and moving. See, one by one it is coming. Then another one. They are running with power, current supply. Very neatness is there on the roads. So specifically parking place is also marked for the vehicles which are coming to the shop. The people who are coming to the shop. This is the cycling road. They marked with cycling this particular road. Melbourne University. Huge space is there for the movement of the people. So along with the shop side, that is for the movement of the people, footpath like footpath. And this is the cyclist. The middle two tracks are for the tram. Yeah, see, you can see the movement of the people here. Nearby we have RMIT University. Yeah, this one. This is the RMIT University. Yes. This is the RMIT University. This building. RMIT University, they have so many buildings like this. If we go to the University of Melbourne side, you can find so many buildings like this. They keep RMIT University name board like this. KFC. By looking at their physical face, almost 10 trams are crossed from this place. 5 this side, 5 that side, and this side is very high. The number of the trams they are crossing the road. Elizabeth Street. Free transport is available within the Melbourne city in the tram. See, the trams are also stopped there because they gave reds. They gave stop. Other side, their cars are they are allowed to the cars. Now they gave green signal to the tram, so it is moving. So the tram has stopped there. That's why this tram has stopped here.